Hi.
Yeah? What's wrong, buddy?
Someone at work ate my sandwich.
Yes, you, but you know...
My Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. I can't believe someone just ate it. Just a sandwich? Look, I am 30 years old, okay? I'm gonna be divorced twice and I just got evicted. That sandwich was the only good thing going on in my life. Someone ate the only good thing going on in my life.
Okay, look, I have enough stuff for one more sandwich. I mean, I was gonna eat it myself, but...
Oh, that would be incredible. Thank you so much. I still can't believe someone ate it. I mean, look, I left a note and everything.
Ja, mooi. Ja, mooi. Snel zo, ik zou. Snel zo, ik zou. Snel zo, ik zou. Right through. On. I'm
surprised you didn't go home wearing it, look.
Okay, look, you want to hold on to your food, you got to scare people off. I learned that living on the street.
Really? So what would you say, Phoebes? Stuff like, keep your mitts off my grub.
Ja, nee, dat zei ik echt niet. Maar nou is die serieus en dan wil ik niet verschrikt me op sorry.
Okay, this will keep them away from your stuff.
Oh! Whoa!
Phoebe, you are a badass.
Well, someday I'll tell you about the time I stabbed the cop.
Phoebe?
What? He stabbed me first!